James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today with a little unboxing of a new headset. This is from Cougar. This is their Havoc Bluetooth headset. Now this is something a little different than most of the Bluetooth headsets out there, is you can actually plug in a 3.5mm jack and run it wired. So we're going to check out how that works. As you can see, they got their logo. The box design shows you it's a Bluetooth headset wraparound. It says Bluetooth right here, aptX. CSR, the name, the back, it talks a little bit about it, like, you know, long battery life, up to 8 hours of battery life, 10mm graphene coated diaphragm drivers, and then interchangeable, you know, smart platform, iOS and Android, so it's interchangeable with most devices. Pretty much it talks about what it, you know, right here, several languages, pretty much the same thing. Not gonna really get into that. We're going to actually pop it open for you. Right here. There's your first little glimpse of it. But if you look over here, it actually tells you about the Bluetooth, and it tells you about how it has 3 enhanced flexible foam ear tips and 3 isolated silicone rubber tips. So you get 6 different tips. Then you have 3 ergonomical ear hooks and a carrying case. Now I'm hoping this carry case is in here. I'm not sure. It just tells you this. You guys are going to see what I see, but if you go over here, I guess it does. It has your changeable ear hooks, and then the changeable flexible ear tips. The carrying case, a USB to, a USB to charging cable, and then the USB to 3.5mm cable. So this is the first for me. I'm going to actually like that. We're going to test this. This is going to be pretty cool. I haven't seen that before, you know, on most of the stuff I've tested. We're going to cut that open real quick. We're going to pop this out. We're going to try and not ruin the box this time, because I actually, you know, there we go. I didn't want to break the box. I haven't taken photos yet. As you guys know, I do full written reviews. We'll set that out. We're going to set this back here. Alright, first you have Real Gear for the Gamers. Shows you some of their stuff, their microphone headsets. Talks about we are the people behind the best of gaming gear. Back here it shows you the AIO coolers, the maps, the chairs, mice, keyboards, power supplies, and computer cases. Here we go. We have the instruction manual. As you can see, big pamphlet. I mean, they tell you how to change it out, what's in here. You know, right earbud, changeable ear tips and ear hook. Left earbuds with changeable ear tips and ear hook. Changeable flexible foam ear tips. Changeable ear hooks, multi-platform controller and multi-platform mic. USB charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, and carrying case. You know, it's going to go into how to change your tips. Don't really worry about that. First things first, if we can get this case out, we'll set that aside for a second. Here you have the earbuds itself. We'll get to that in a second. The case, nice little compact case. I like that they throw this in. You know, if you're not using them, it's good to have a case to put in so you don't ruin them. Inside, it's got a little zipper. Nice little foam, nice little shell. We'll unzip it. And inside we have a whole bunch of tips, ears, and cables. We're going to pull those out and show you the case itself. As you can see, it's got a little elastic mesh holder for the cables. Pretty cool. We have the micro USB to 3.5mm jack. Yeah, I would say it's probably about 4 feet without unwrapping it, so that's pretty decent. Nice. Now the charging cable, as you can see, is short. That is maybe a foot, foot and a half, if that. So you're going to have to find a place to charge it that it can sit properly. The ear tips, I mean, we'll pull them open. I normally don't like to pull them out, but we'll pull them out for you guys. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's got, you know, 2 sets, 2 different sizes. Hopefully you guys can see it good. You know, nice little rubber ear pieces. Those are the ear hooks to help keep them hooked into your ear. Some people use them, some don't. Now we have the ear tips. We have two sets of the rubber right here. These are the rubber. There should be a set on it. So as you can see, you have a small, and then you have a large. Well, hopefully you guys can see that. I apologize. I almost dropped it, but that's the large. We will put those back in the bag. We do not want to lose these. I almost lost one already. We will grab the other set. This should be the foam set. Now I'm not going to pull them all out, but we'll just pull one out so you can see it. That is foam. It is a different design. I apologize if it zooms in and out. That is foam. I will not use foam, so we will test it out. I won't use them. I don't like foam in my ears. I mean, especially if you sweat and using them. Just my thing. Now let's pull this out. I'll pull the headset out itself. The headset itself already has a hook put on it, and it has a rubber ear tip. As you can see, hopefully you guys can see that, the little Cougar design logo. The cord is probably, you know, a couple feet maybe. The mic is wrapped in plastic. So I believe this is the mic. Let's wrap it, unwrap it. Alright, we don't need that. Now we have another Cougar logo. Hopefully, if not, we'll pull a little closer. Hopefully you guys can see that. That just looks like a box. I don't see no mic on it, so we'll check the other side. This is a learning experience. You guys are seeing what I see. On this side, we actually have the controller. We have up, down, and power. On the side, right here, is the plug-in. We'll actually pull that out for you guys, if I can, without breaking it. I cut my nails. Maybe I shouldn't have cut my nails. Wow. So, if you cut your nails, don't do that. So, there is your USB port, your charging port. My camera is really glitchy today. I apologize, guys. Let me come forward to you. That is not going to give you guys a good view, is it? Why? Alright, well, most of you guys know what those look like. You'll take this port, or this charging cord. This is actually the cord to the 3.5mm jack. Slide it in, and you're clipped on, just like that. So you're ready to use a 3.5mm jack that way. We're going to actually unclip that. We'll grab the charging cord, and you know, pretty much same thing. And we're on. That's that. So, powering it on, I'm pretty sure you just hold it down. We'll see if it's actually got some power to it. It does. It just lit up. You see it flashing there. We'll do that again. See, it's blue flashing. So it's got some power. That's the unboxing of the Cougar Havoc Bluetooth headset. Now I will be doing a Bluetooth connection so you guys can see how you can connect Bluetooth with this device to like your computer or your headset. I will also be doing microphone test. I will be doing a test while playing games using this as a mic for the game. And full written review. So I thank you for checking out my unboxing of the Havok Bluetooth headset by Cougar. And keep your eyes out for more on dragonblogger.com to come. And thank you.